The truth about natural penis enlargement. Many products out in the market today are claiming to be the real thing when it comes to penis enlargement. These penis enlargement devices and pills are virtually popping up everywhere. Take a look around you. You've got extenders, pumps, clamps, rings, penis patches, medicinal tablets, and all sorts of stuff. Some even go as far as undergoing penis enlargement surgery just to get a bigger penis. The truth about penis enlargement. The drawback of all these things is that it may have side effects and long-term hazards to your health and your penis. Penis enlargement pills may cause heart attack. Devices used for penis enlargement on the other hand may cause nerve damage. Surgery done specifically for penis enlargement may take your ability to have an erection completely. So what alternative do you have here? Are you stuck with the same old penis size that you were endowed with? Is there truly no safe and natural way to achieve permanent penis enlargement? You need not worry any further, for you are about to find out the secret of the real, natural, safe, and effective method of penis enlargement. This has been dubbed as the holy grail of penis enlargement, a testament of its effectiveness and safety. The foundation of this penis enlargement product is biochemistry and not some hunch or theory that will lead to a bigger penis. The thing is, this penis enlargement product will restart what you have experienced before earlier in life. What is that experience? None other than puberty. Puberty-based penis enlargement. Puberty is the time that penis enlargement was a natural thing. Your penis grew without the help of any device or medicine. It grew through your body's own biochemistry. But how exactly did penis enlargement occur during puberty? Penis enlargement was made possible during puberty through the help of special biochemicals and nutrients that your body produced. The receptors in your penis then reacted with those biochemicals and nutrients, leading to penis enlargement from the inside. When you stopped going through puberty, the body stopped this process by taking off a link in the production line. So, the penis enlargement that you were going through was halted just the same. How natural penis enlargement works. The good news is that all your body did to stop the process was it took off one single link. So, if you want to make that link whole again, the process will be up and running. Restart the process and you will achieve natural penis enlargement again. You need not worry about the other things that puberty does, because this penis enlargement product will only supplement your body with the biochemicals and nutrients that are essential to penis enlargement. But how do you make that single link whole again? What you need to do is to enable your body to produce a biochemical called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a biochemical that the body produced during puberty but halted its production when you got done with puberty. Acetylcholine dictates many things such as strength of erections among any others. In order to get your body to produce acetylcholine, you have to supplement your body with choline. When you supplement your body with choline, your body will start the chain reaction that led to penis enlargement during puberty. Now you know the reason why this is the most natural and safest penis enlargement method you can go for. It introduces a biochemical that the body has worked with before, so there can be no side effects. Penis enlargement made simple. If you still have a question in mind, surely it's about how long will you have to wait for the penis enlargement take place? The penis enlargement process will take place at about 11 weeks or 14 weeks at the latest. That seems a long time, right? Don't worry. There is a way for you to lessen those 14 weeks. What you can do to speed up the penis enlargement process is to exercise and eat healthy. Healthier people who reintroduced choline to the body showed penis enlargement in about 11 weeks. Is 11 weeks still a long period of time for you? The reason for the slow penis enlargement process is that it's natural. When your penis grew during puberty, the process took a lot longer. It took years even. Contrary to products that claim penis growth in lesser time, this is permanent and real penis enlargement. And if you think about it, 11 weeks is not that too long if the benefits you will get will last for a lifetime. What you should do right now to start penis enlargement. If you want to know more about growing your penis naturally and safely, then click the link below. The Penis Enlargement Bible will show you how to reintroduce choline into your body properly and the exercises you can do to assist the body in growing your penis. It also has information on how you can improve your sexual performance and stamina, making it a must-have product for every man in the world. Penis enlargement and sexual health all in one.